Hello and good morning, everyone. My name is Charles Mosley, and I am the project manager for the Connected Systems Institute. Today, we were supposed to have a webinar about the coming age of voice. All you do is say yes, featuring Jon Stine from the Open Voice Network. But we've had some issues this morning, and so we're changing the format of what we're doing. We will invite all of the attendees currently over to a different Microsoft Teams instance where we will have an open discussion about IIoT standards, skills, and what you're looking for from the Connected Systems Institute. Before we do that and send the invite to each of you, I'd like you to all hear from our Executive Director, Mary Bunzel.
Thank
Mary,
you,
go
Charles.
ahead.
Thank you, Charles. And yes, we're all concerned about John's current situation, so he's in our thoughts and prayers. But I want to invite you to take up advantage of the opportunity to talk with your peers and set aside the time that you reserved for yourself in a learning mode, because this is a time when we can take advantage of that quiet time and learn from uh, new education and likely a lot from dialogue with your peers. So any of you who've been on those kinds of dialogues with me in the past understand the benefits of such an exercise. So I hope you'll join me. So I'm moving over to that call. Oh, one, one, one moment. Breaking news.
All right, everyone, sit tight and we will get back to you very shortly. Mary, you need to unmute yourself.
Hi, that was an update from our speaker, and he's having some technical difficulties. He is working on getting into the link here and should be here shortly. If there's a way that we could have maybe a question and answer or some sort of, are we able to switch to any uh, input from the audience, or that's only in the open forum?
We've had quite a few technical difficulties this morning. The Q&A section is not showing up on my screen.
Oh,
So is it on yours up in
yeah.
the top? Can you see the Q&A? Because people should be able to engage there and ask us questions.
Okay. No, I don't have those options. So let's give it just another couple of minutes.
For
And
John. Okay.
yeah, and I guess what we could do is we could talk about, some of the work that we're really focused on here at the Institute. Um, we are working on putting together a pathway of credentials so that we can take the learnings from all the expertise of those who have journeyed before, written of these journeys, and developed curriculum, pulling that all together in a learning pathway that enables a participant to participate in education that helps them to accomplish learnings and how to implement IoT based on a basis of reliability. So watch for news on that. We're still very much in development phase. We're looking to have some things in beta format by fall. And we may be looking for some volunteers, or I should say a small group of test participants to test out the pathway. But that's one of the things that we're working on. And it will end up in what we expect to be a digital roundtable opportunity where we can match levels of participants that come from environments with differing levels of maturity. So through a self-assessment and goal plan making exercise, we can assess the needs and goals of the participants, matching 2s with 2s, or 3s with 3s, or 5s with 5s, on digital roundtables matched with Sherpas or experts in their field, so that the learning can be applied in day-to-day life. And since every project is unique and individual, that would be necessary for each project. So this is the work that we're engaged in here. So I'm going to suggest we are 7 minutes. I think probably what we should do is reschedule this standards call, in light of the technical difficulties that we've been having. And I'm going to suggest that we switch over to that open forum call now, as so we can all get together and have a dialogue over there. Okay.
All right, everyone.
All right.
What I will do is I will go through the event registration and send a new Microsoft Teams invite to everyone that registered for our new open forum discussion. We'll give you guys a few minutes to get over there after I get that email sent out. In the meantime, please take a look at our Connected Systems Institute website, www.uwm.edu/CSI. Check out our events coming up starting next week. We're going to have a lot coming forward. Next Tuesday will be with Dr. Marcia Silva from the Water Technology Accelerator here on campus to discuss kind of the synergy between research there and how it affects manufacturing. So make sure you sign up for that one, and we'll ensure our technical issues are taken care of by then. In the meantime, sit tight and wait for my email. Thank you very much, everyone.
Hope to see you there.